Марија?
Имам се јадат еднаш.
Така се дава пречурки. Што се јадат повеќе пати и што се јадат еднаш.
It's the turn. Take the time.
No, without. Now we are on the place we call the Arbinje Waterfall. In Sabah we say the Tri Kladenca is the original name, the Serbian. We follow all down the Arbinje river, one of the most beautiful valley in Serbia, and one of the most beautiful day trip in Serbia to follow right now so close on the right side, on the left side to the waterfall, go up and follow the stream all down to the three lakes in the same like Tri Kladenca lake, and after that we're gonna reach the ridge and follow all down to the Drumeție, one of the most beautiful peaks in Serbia, on the Stara Planina mountain, the part of the Balkan, like Carpathian and Balkanian system.
Okay, thank you.
Is the first something because of the No, it's in the car.
Ne, ti treba pauto. Pauto. Stižem. A Sofija?
Next one. This is slippery.
Thank you.